When it comes to technology, our military reigns supreme. They never use a flashlight with an inferior beam. They'd use something like this. The newest addition to our tactical line, the Tac Light Max from Bell & Howell. Lab certified at 100 times the brightness of regular flashlights. Tac Light Max can spotlight objects hundreds of feet away and be seen up to 10 nautical miles. Even better, that light lasts for hours, even on full brightness. Then, simply plug it in to recharge the long-lasting, high-output lithium-ion battery. Tac Light Max has 3 brightness modes and a tactical strobe that can stun and disorient the strongest attacker. Plus, it takes durability to a whole new level. In freezing temperatures, a car battery will stop working. But even inside this giant slab of ice, the Tac Light Max keeps on working. That's right, when it comes to performance, the Max is a real monster.
So, you know we had to do it. Let's run this light over with a monster truck.
Concrete? No problem. Rugged terrain? Just the same.
Now that's what I call military tough.
You definitely don't want to try that with the regular flashlight. And even though it's rugged and durable, it's lightweight and easy to hold. So let's review. Tac Light Max is 100 times brighter than regular flashlights, has all the great features you love, is rechargeable and long-lasting, and more durable than ever before. I mean, there's just nothing like it on the market today. The Tac Light Max from Bell & Howell.